Welcome to my channel. Stop scrolling right now. This story can change your life today. At 17 years old, Hassan felt stuck and confused about his future. He lived in a small town where English was not common at all, but Hassan had a big dream in his heart. He wanted to speak English fluently and confidently. He wanted to work online and change his life completely, but his reality was painful and full of struggle. Every time he tried to speak English, people laughed at him. His friends made jokes about his broken sentences. Even in school, he felt nervous and silent. His voice started shaking whenever he tried again. One day, he failed badly in an English test. That moment broke his confidence completely. He went home and sat alone in his room. He said softly, "Maybe I am not made for this." His eyes filled with tears. Suddenly, his older brother came and sat beside him. He said, "If you stop now, you will never know your strength." Those words touched Hassan deeply. That night, Hassan opened a notebook and wrote one simple sentence, then another sentence slowly. His hands were shaking, but he did not stop. It was not perfect, but it was a beginning. And sometimes, a small beginning creates a powerful future. Chapter 2. The next morning felt quiet, but something had changed inside Hassan. He woke up early and made a small promise to himself. He decided to practice English every single day without stopping. He did not make a big or difficult plan. He started with just 15 minutes daily practice. He began watching simple English videos online. He repeated each word slowly and carefully. His pronunciation was weak and his grammar was not correct, but he continued without fear. One day, while searching online, he found a free English-speaking group. The group was guided by a kind mentor named Sir Kareem. Hassan felt nervous and scared to join. His heart was beating fast again and again. He almost closed the page and gave up. But something inside pushed him forward. He joined the group quietly. On the first day, he could not speak even one full sentence. His voice broke and his mind became blank. But Sir Kareem smiled and said, "Mistakes are the first step to success." Those words stayed in Hassan's mind deeply. Every day, he practiced a little more. He spoke in short sentences. He listened carefully to others. Slowly, he started improving. His brother supported him every day. Even one correct sentence felt like a big success. Hassan was still weak, but now he was moving forward step by step. Chapter 3. Days passed, and Hassan's journey became more challenging and difficult. Life started testing him again and again in different ways. His father became sick, and the family faced serious problems. Hassan had to take extra responsibilities at home. He also started a small job to help his family. He worked long hours and felt tired all the time. His energy became low, and his mind felt heavy. Some days, he could not practice English at all. Guilt started growing inside his heart slowly. One evening, he looked at himself in the mirror and felt disappointed. He said, "I am failing again." That night, he joined the online class with Sir Kareem. His voice was weak and his eyes were tired. He said, "Sir, I think I cannot continue this journey." Sir Kareem listened carefully and said calmly, "Hard times show how strong your dream really is." Those words touched Hassan deeply. That night, Hassan opened his notebook and started writing. He wrote about his pain, fear, and struggle. His words were simple, but they were real. The next day, he shared his story in the group. He felt scared, but he still posted it. Something amazing happened. People supported him and related to his story. One comment said, "You gave me hope." Hassan smiled after many days. That small moment gave him new strength to continue. Chapter 4. Time continued moving forward, but success was still not easy for Hassan. He decided to challenge himself and test his progress. He joined an online English-speaking competition for the first time. He prepared day and night with full focus. He practiced in front of the mirror again and again. He recorded his voice and listened carefully. He corrected his mistakes slowly. But when the result came, he failed again. His name was not on the list. His heart broke deeply, and he felt empty inside. Old doubts returned quickly into his mind. He started thinking, maybe I am not good enough. That night, he did not talk to anyone. He sat quietly and stared at his notebook. Then his mother came and placed her hand on his shoulder. She said softly, "Failure does not define you. Your effort does." Those words gave him strength again. The next morning, Sir Karim sent him a message. Every failure is preparing you for success. Hassan took a deep breath and stood up again. This time, he changed his mindset completely. He focused on learning instead of winning. He improved his vocabulary daily. He practiced real conversations with confidence. He listened more and spoke more. Slowly, his confidence started growing again. It was not fast, but it was real and strong. Chapter 5. 1 year later, Hassan was not the same person anymore. His journey had changed him into someone stronger and more confident. He still made mistakes, but now he was not afraid of them. This time, he joined another English-speaking competition again. But his mindset was completely different now. He was calm, focused, and confident. On the stage, his hands were shaking at first. But then he remembered his journey. He remembered his struggles, his failures, and his pain. He remembered his brother's words and his mentor's support. He took a deep breath and started speaking slowly. His sentences were simple, but they were clear and powerful. His voice became steady, and his confidence started shining. People listened carefully. Some even smiled and nodded. When the results were announced, Hassan won second place. Not first, but it meant everything to him. His eyes filled with tears of happiness. His family celebrated proudly. Sir Karim smiled and said, "You have grown, and that is your real victory." Hassan realized something important that day. Winning was not the real success. Growth was the real achievement. He had improved and never gave up, and that made all the difference in his life. Chapter 6. Now Hassan stands stronger and more confident than ever before. He still practices English every single day with full dedication. He still learns new words and improves his skills slowly. But now, he also teaches others who are beginners like him. He shares his journey to inspire people around the world. He tells them, "Start small, but never stop." He remembers every painful moment clearly, every failure, every fear, and every struggle. And now he feels thankful for all those moments, because those struggles made him stronger and better. Now, this message is for you. Yes, you who are watching or reading this story, if you feel weak, start small today. If you feel afraid, speak anyway. If people laugh at you, let them laugh. Your journey is yours, and your dream matters. Progress takes time, and growth needs patience. Success needs effort and strong belief. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for confidence. Start now with whatever you have. Practice every single day. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. One day, your small steps will become a big success story, and your story will inspire others. So stand up now, take your first step, and never give up on yourself.